Nokia 9.2 will debut in the first quarter of 2020, a report has claimed. The new development comes just week after a rumor stating the existence of the Nokia 9.2 as the successor to the Nokia 9 PureView has popped up. The earlier rumor claimed that the new Nokia flagship would be delayed until autumn of this year, but according to the leaks now, it is expected to come as early as April 2020. The Nokia 9.2, which is said to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, won't be showcased at the MWC 2020 in Barcelona, but is in the pipeline for the later part of the first quarter of this year. Now, we are getting yet another report about the device which is expected to come as the Nokia 9.2 PureView. According to the new leak, HMD will ditch the light camera technology this time around and will opt for a more conventional approach, but we don't have any details as to what to expect here. The latest report mentions that unlike Nokia 9 PureView that packed the light camera technology, the Nokia 9.2 would come with a bigger sensor from an old camera partner such as Toshiba. Nevertheless, the smartphone is said to offer a great camera experience. It is also reported to have a price tag close to that of Nokia 8 to attract the masses. Nokia 9 PureView was launched at 49,999, whereas Nokia 8 was priced at about 35,999, and you can expect Nokia 9.2 to be priced at around the same price bracket. HMD Global was originally rumored to have the Nokia 9.1 PureView in the pipeline to succeed the Nokia 9 PureView with Snapdragon 855 SoC. However, the Finnish company was later reported to have ditched its plan of launching the Nokia 9.1 PureView to focus on the Nokia 9.2 with the latest Snapdragon 865 SoC. Detailing the Nokia 9.2, the reports from NokiaMob.net claims that the smartphone would have a bezel-less display and an upgraded selfie camera with 32 megapixel or 48 megapixel resolution. The phone is also said to have wireless charging support and exclude a 3.5mm headphone jack. These are all the updates about the Nokia 9.2 phone, and I hope you found this useful. If yes, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Hit the red subscribe button for more videos like this. With that being said, this is me Rahul signing off. Bye bye now.